Okay. To run the HAZOP, we can go for the no flow scenario here. If this manual valve BFV 2201 BFV A remains closed, so potential delayed dispatch.
You need to be waited. That also.
Delayed property.
This growth should be waited all the time.
And
It should be under water, somewhat all the time.
okay, if this valve is closed, what is the consequence? No flow. If no flow, what is the consequence? Delayed, ultimately delayed. If this valve is closed, ultimately, I mean, your washing process will not complete. Yeah, process upset. So 3C. So SOP. And you have LSAL. LSAL is here, 2201A.